So, hi dear Pisces, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal love reading for all the Pisces, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 11th till the 17th of May 2026. Roles can be reversed also. And if it is not resonating, this is definitely not your story. Please don't try to forcibly fit yourself into the readings, honey. Sometimes the messages are not for you. Okay. For personal reading healing session, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. And for tarot reading course and Ho'oponopono Masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. Let's see, Pisces. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So I have the Ace of Cups. This is somebody who is having overwhelming kind of emotions for the situation right now. Can be a new person who is falling in love with you. Their heart is opening up towards you, but the emotions, the feelings are kind of all over the place right now. It's a good thing. It's not a bad thing in a positive way, right? So this is somebody whose heart is completely open towards you right now, opening up towards you right now, and they're feeling lots of emotions and lots of energies towards you. Okay, let's clarify the Ace of Cups as their feelings. Okay, so I have the Justice, the Hanged Man, and the Nine of Cups. Okay, this is someone who is feeling like finally things are happening in a right way, in a balanced way in their life. Finally, they are able to see life from a totally different perspective. Finally, they are able to understand why everything happened in their life till this point, the way it happened, and now they feel like they are very happy, very much open, and very ready for the idea of connecting with somebody with whom they can see a really beautiful kind of a connection with, bond with. Okay, so this is someone who feels like you can be the one for them, whether it's a new person, it's a past person, doesn't matter, because their energies are shifting, their point of view is shifting, and they are feeling like right, finally the right things have started happening in their life, and that includes this connection too. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Tower. So it's like you guys are shocked and or surprised, or there is something in the situation that is making you feel like, oh my god, right? That kind of energy. So there's a shockingly surprising energy for you guys regarding the situation right now. Let's clarify the Tower as your feelings for this particular person or situation. So I have the Page of Pentacles, the Judgment, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, you guys are feeling like taking things really very casual. You are shocked and surprised by the way somebody is coming towards you with this much open heart, with this much genuine energies, and after a lot of shockingly surprising kind of energies, you guys are feeling like, okay, you should take it casually, you should keep it friendly, you should not get too much swayed away by this particular person or situation, and you feel like letting go of something or someone out of your system that you were still holding on to, and let this situation unfold naturally and organically without any kind of force, or without any kind of too much expectations or too many things to handle, kind of a thing. So Pisces, I'm super disconnected from your reading today, but I'm just trying to make the meanings of the cards here. I hope they're matching and connecting with your energies. I'm super disconnected. You guys are on one hand you're shocked and surprised, and other hand you are trying to let go of something or someone to like start a brand new chapter with a new person, new energy. But at the same time, you guys are like, okay, fate will decide what will happen. But from my side, I'm going to keep it casual, friendly, and not so involved. The other person, they're like, yeah, I found my one, and you are like, yeah, let's keep it cool. Total mismatch of energies, at least. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are the intentions? Somebody is quite excited and happy that they found you. I found you, and you're like, yeah, another person, yeah, another story. Their intention is the King of Swords. This person wants to be practical here. They want to be cutthroat, logical, practical, and they just want to tell you the truth. Like, this is what I want, this is how I feel, and this is how it is going to be. Let's clarify the King of Swords as their intentions here. So I have the King of Wands, the Chariot, and the Ten of Wands. Yes, they are like, okay, if Pisces is also interested in me, then we can move forward together. We can create a really beautiful kind of connection or bond together. We can make things work out. No matter how many obstacles or challenges we have to face, we will face it. But if not, I am going to drop it right now. Only I don't want to create any kind of burdensome or heavy kind of energies around the situation whatsoever. So they just want to know if you are interested and invested. If not, they are just ready to move forward and let it go, because they don't want another burdensome and heavy kind of energies around them in their life. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Pisces? Five of Wands. So just don't want any kind of drama anymore. No conflict, no chaos, no drama, just pure happiness. Okay. Okay. Pure bonding, pure happiness. Right now, you might not be ready for a relationship, to be honest with you, especially if you guys are coming out of a fresh breakup or separation. You need your time. You need your time. Okay. Let's clarify the Five of Wands here as your intentions. So I have the Seven of Swords and the Seven of Cups and the Seven of Wands. Yep. According to you, everyone out there is a fraud, is a scamster, is somebody who's going to betray you, somebody who is going to cheat on you, somebody is going to do something horribly wrong with you. And these days, you should not trust on anybody, especially if somebody is coming towards you with love, because these days nobody loves anybody. So you just want to keep yourself protected from this energy of these days people. I'm telling you, you're still very hurt. You're still very bothered by something that happened. Doesn't matter if it had happened recently or it happened long time ago. You are still in this zone of people suck, love sucks. Nobody is genuine. Nobody loves the other person with all of their heart and soul. Okay, so your aloof nature is actually attracting somebody towards you, and you're not at all interested. And they are in this energy. If Pisces is not interested, I don't want to spoil my life. Take it how it resonates with you. The roles can be reversed also. Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys, Pisces, till the 17th of May. Knight of Swords. It's like suddenly out of the blue, sudden unexpected kind of energies. Sudden unexpected message, communication, somebody entering in your space when you will be least expecting it to happen. Let's see. So I have the Moon card, the Nine of Wands, and the Star card. There's restlessness. Somebody wants to come forward towards you. They want to talk to you. They want to clear the air with you. And they are getting very, very restless and anxious. But they're not sure how you're going to behave, how you are going to react, how you are going to connect, or even if you are going to connect or not at all. So they are going to keep their guards up. They are not going to say anything or do anything, even if they are kind of dying to do something, say something. They are going to remain in this optimistic and positive and open energy of, okay, if something is bound to happen between me and Pisces, it will happen at some point of time in this lifetime. Otherwise, it's better for me to stay away and not to interfere in Pisces life, or not to create any kind of unnecessary drama in mine. So somebody is going to get this restless energy of talking to you, connecting with you, saying something to you, wanting to know a lot of things from you or about you. But all they are going to get is either they are going to hit a wall. Even if they are going to try, they will not get any answer. And or the moment they are going to be about to do that, about to call you, about to text you, they are going to be like, nope, not a good idea. I should just let Pisces be. And if it is supposed to happen between me and Pisces at some point of time, it will eventually happen, if not immediately, eventually. So they are going to be living in this energy, in this hope. The roles can be reversed also, Pisces. I have to say it like 3 4 times now, because a lot of people in the comment section, not my reading, roles are reversed, because you are not using brain. I can't do anything. Let's see the guidance here for you guys. I have the Nine of Swords, the Knight of Swords, and the Ace of Cups. You know, something is messing with your head. Something is right now also messing with your head, whether it was like a recent breakup or separation, recent event in your life, or something distant. Until unless you guys are going to be mentally at peace, your emotional energies are not going to be at peace, because everything is connected. You guys have to stop worrying about things, situation, people that you cannot change or control or do anything about, and then stop running away from those emotions that are actually good for you, that are actually beautiful, that are actually trying to help you to get back to your life again, to get back to your heart again. You guys are continuously ignoring those beautiful energies around you, maybe like your friends, your family, your siblings, who are there to help you, who are there to actually give you the kind of love that you are hoping for and craving for. Hmm? So instead of continuously being trapped in your thoughts, in your energies, and continuously stressed about something or someone, try to connect with those people, those situations, those energies that are actually there for you, that actually cares for you, and they definitely want to be there for you. If there's no one around you like that, let's say, for example, I've seen a lot of people doing that also, then start connecting with people from your side, like soul family members, volunteering work, NGO work, healing work. Maybe connect with a healer, a therapist, a guru, a mentor, somebody with whom you can share your energies with, feelings and thoughts with, and you are going to get good results as an outcome. Hmm? Sometimes we have to get out of, most of the times, all the time, we have to get out of our comfort zone in order for things to happen. The universe always meets us halfway. The universe never kickstarts our journey. We have to do that, right? Let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life, Pisces. This portion also might or might not resonate. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Just let it be. I'm going to give you 15 to 20 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and then pause whenever you feel like. And if you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, then you can take the message as the guidance for your situation if you want to. Okay, so let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space. Keep it very, very short, simple, and precise so that you can get the proper answer. And your time starts now. Okay, so the answer to your question is yes. So it's a full-fledged yes, so I don't have to explain it to you guys. This is what I have for you, Pisces, for this week. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.